You know how creating video takes forever, like writing the scripts, recording, editing, optimizing. It's a long, tedious process. But what if AI could do it all for you? Like no camera, no editing skills, no wasting time. I built a system that takes a simple idea and turns it into a fully produced video, from script to final editing. And today I'm going to show you exactly how it works. And if you want a custom version of this for your business, stick around. Let's dive in. So this is how this tool is working. It starts with an input. So as input, you need to choose the tool you want to create a video about. So you provide the URL of the website of the tool. Then the workflow begins. It starts with an analyzing of the website. So there's an AI that does that. Once the analyze is done, the AI generates the script of the video. So we created an assistant, an agent, that is designed to write the script we want. He knows the structure of the script. He has all the information about the tone of voice and how we want to frame the full video. And then it proposed to the user, there's the human in the loop validation. So you, the user, needs to validate the script before the video is generated. And that's very important. So you have the control of what is done and you are sure that there are no, I don't know, big mistakes that the AI have written in the script that will go into your video. So validation step, human in the loop. Human in the loop is a very important concept when we are talking about agentic workflows. When you validated the script, the AI generates the video with HeyGen. So in this tool, we have 5 different scenes. So the AI will generate 5 video using HeyGen clones. So you need to have an HeyGen clone that is ready, or to use one of the free to use or user-generated AI clones from HeyGen. And yes, the output of this node is 5 videos that are ready to be edited together. So then we use Json2Video to do the editing of the video. So it puts the 5 video all together. It adds the captions, and I will show you a bit later. And the final step of the automation is an additional agent that is generating all the marketing metadata that are needed to publish the video on YouTube and other social media. So it generates the title, the description, the tags, and it sends to you everything by email. The full workflow takes something like 10 to 15 minutes to be generated. So between the moment where you input the tool URL and the moment you receive all the material, it takes 15 minutes. So let's look at an example of how it works. So this is our YouTube channel, the AI Atelier, and this is the first video we've created with that tool.
The most amazing video. What if I told you all those tiny details you captured are lost because of low quality? Frustrating, right? Welcome to the AI Tool Show, where we search, test, and present the best AI tools on the market. If it's smart, powerful, and
etc., etc. I let you check if you want to see the full video. And by the way, if you are interested in this system and you want your own system or a similar system for your business, you should really join the AI Atelier community. It's a free community we have created with Thais on School, where we teach AI automation. We have a lot of very interesting members. Feel free to join. And we are doing premium consultancy for AI automation. You will find all the information in the AI Atelier. Okay, so that's how it works. Let's take a look at the tool it's using. The first tool we are using is HeyGen. So HeyGen is an amazing tool to generate very realistic videos with AI. So you just give a text and the AI is reading it, and it's very natural. They made a lot of progress in the last year, and today it's sometimes not possible to tell when it's a AI generated video or really you. Yes, you can tell most of the time, but it's very impressive. So you can use one of those clones, they are free to use, or you can use your own clone, so you can clone yourself. So this is me. As you can see, it's very realistic. You can recognize me very, very well. Now this is Thais, my business partner, and we are using her clone for this workflow. So we have a lot of versions of her, and each has an ID that we can call in the HeyGen workflow. Okay, this is first tool. Second tool is Json2Video. It's a tool where you can do editing programmatically. So JSON, if you don't know, JSON is a data format where you can, it's very readable and you can put information well structured and organized. And this tool, the name is very clear. It takes JSON format and it returns a video. So this is the second tool we use. We will dive in a bit later. And then we have OpenAI Assistant. So we are in the back office of OpenAI, where we can create AI assistant that our N8N workflow will use. And of course, I didn't mention it, but we are using N8N, my favorite, and it should also be your favorite automation tool, no-code tool. You can create very powerful workflows using N8N. It's a very cool product and it's open source, so you can self-host it for free. That's a true competitive advantage against its competitor like Make or Zapier. I really prefer N8N from far. Okay, so these are the tools. Now let's take a look at the micro tool I created. So this is the micro tool. It's, yes, okay, it's not designed. Maybe I will design it a bit later, but for the moment I just focused, it's an MVP, so I just focused on the functionality. So you have a first step, which is a form where you can pass the URL of the tool you want to create a video about. So let's take Grammarly, for example, an AI tool to check grammar. I don't know this tool, but let's pretend we do Grammarly, and we can say why we think it's cool. This is not mandatory, but if we want, we can here give an orientation to the video. Let's not do that. And the first step is writing the script. So here we submit next. If we go back to our workflow details, we have here, it was the input. The AI is analyzing and generating scripts and will arrive here. So done, it took like 10 seconds. And this is the script that has been generated by the AI. So we have the hook, we have the opening, the content, the tool reveal, and the outro. So we have trained the AI with very specific instruction for each of those steps. Let's take a look at the instruction here. So we tell the AI, you are an expert in writing concise, compelling, and engaging scripts for short-form video. Your task is to generate a 60-second script presenting an AI tool in clear, structured, and captivating way. And then we give a lot of examples, instruction for each step, etc. Interesting here is the output format. We are outputting the AI is outputting a JSON object. So here we retrieve, not a surprise, exactly the 5 hook, opening, content, tool reveal, outro, the 5 fields plus the tool name. Yes, so here we are describing the output we want the AI to give us back. Okay, so let's say that this is good. We'll click on submit and boom, it's working for us. Now it's the big job. So let's go back to this. So the AI will generate the video with HeyGen, then do the editing, then it will generate the title, description, tags, and it will send everything to us by email. Okay, while the AI is working, it will take like 15 minutes. Let's take a look at the N8N workflow that I'm very proud about, that I create, that does everything here. So the second part, not the writing the script, but the second part between the human in the loop here and the send by email. And let's just have an overview of it. Okay, so it's a webhook, so I can call it from this micro website that I created. So this part, the upper branch here, is generating the HeyGen video. So for each shot, each scene, the 5, hook, opening, content, etc., we are making here some tricky stuff because I want to parallelize the generation of the video to optimize the time of creation. So I don't want to create the first one, then the second one, then the third one, etc., until I have the 5. Because I want the workflow to be faster. Of course, we could do it sequentially, but I prefer to parallelize. But HeyGen doesn't allow you to parallelize more than 3 at the same time. So we have to do 3, and when the 3 are done, 2. Okay, it's a bit tricky, but it's good to know. It's important to know when you work with the HeyGen API. Then we have, when we have all the video, in the lower branch here, we are calling the assistant that we have named the marketer assistant that is writing the title, writing the description and the tags. Okay. In the same times here, we are calling JSON2Video API. So in JSON2Video, I created a template here, just showing you quickly how it works. So in the scenes, I have 5 scenes: hook, opening, content, reveal, outro. In the scene 1, I have the video. In the scene 2, I have the video plus an audio, etc. Here I have the tool name, and this is the template that will be used. And this is the template that will be used to create the final video. Let's go back to the workflow here. And when we have everything, the editing is done, the video are generated, the metadata, etc. are generated, we have a simple node that sends everything to us by email. So just check my email. And this is the mail we receive. So it was just a previous email with another example. So we received the title, the description. In this version, we didn't have the tag, but now we have the tag also, and the video URL here that you can just post on YouTube.
Picture this.
So that's it. Very excited about this tool. It was super fun to create. Please let me know in the comment what you think. If you are also excited, if you see the potential for it, the gain of time and the efficiency. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.